relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Means this is the variable which is developing, strengthening the relationship between the independent and dependent variable. Workforce diversity is the independent variable, and dependent variable is the organizational effectiveness. Means if some organization have the different work, means diversified work groups, different nationalities, different religious backgrounds, even other factors which are creating the diversity, and its impact on the organizational performance. This is dependent. So in between we have the moderating variable, that if the managerial expertise leads, means managerial expertise is acting in between these two variables or strengthening the relationship of these two variables. If the managerial expertise, the manager is experienced, then workforce diversity will have the major impact on the organizational performance. So that's why this factor is strengthening the relationship or bondage between these two variables. Exercise. A manager finds that off-the-job classroom training has a great impact on the productivity of employees in her department. However, she also observed that employees over 60 years of age do not seem to deserve much benefit and do not improve with such training. It means, in this example, we say the independent variable is the manager's training. And off-job managers find that off-job classroom training has a great impact. Means employees before the job training has very much impact on the performance of the or the productivity of the employees in manager's department. However, she also observed that employees over 60 years of age do not seem to derive much benefit and do not improve. So here in this case, age is the major factor, which is the moderating factor, that off-job training has impact on the productivity of employees. So off-job training is the independent and the productivity of employees the dependent, and so we say that, but in between the age is the moderating variable. A teacher observed that effective teaching methodology can decrease students' dropout rate. It means another example of the practical example of, suppose we are talking about moderating variable, is that a teacher observed that effective teaching methodology can decrease students' dropout rate. However, she also noted that the students who remain frequently absent in the class still have high dropout rate, even if effective teaching methodology is present. So independent variable is that effective teaching is the independent variable in this case, and dropout is the dependent, but here in this case the moderating variable is the habit of absenteeism. So noted that the students who remain frequently absent, so frequently absent in the class is the moderating variable. Another factor or variable is the intervening variable. The intervening variable surfaces between the time the independent variable start operating to influence the dependent variable and the time their impact is felt on. So this variable is acting its role or playing its role when the independent variable start to influence or start to operate to influence the dependent variable, and especially at the time of their impact. Just like we say that workforce diversity, independent variable, organizational effectiveness is the dependent variable, and intervening variable is the creative synergy. Means creative synergy is playing very important role. Means due to the diversity, the creative synergy of the employees have the positive role on the organizational effectiveness. Means when diversity start, same time creativity is also acting, that whether these people possess this creative synergy or not. Effects of four variables: workforce diversity, independent variable; creative synergy, intervening variable; managerial expertise, the moderating variable; and organizational effectiveness is the dependent variable. So actually we have these two variables, workforce diversity and organizational effectiveness, but these two variables are also playing their very much role. Managerial expertise is acting as a moderating variable, means it is strengthening the relationship of this variable with the dependent variable. And also the creative synergy, which is intervening, means intervene in this relationship and acting its role or playing its role. So theoretical framework is the foundation on which whole research is based. It is logically developed, described and elaborated network of association among the variables deemed relevant to the problem situation and identified through such processes as interviews and observations and literature survey. The theoretical components of the theoretical framework, the variables considered relevant to the study, should be clearly identified and labeled in the discussions. Those variables which are considered, they should be clearly identified and labeled or named. The discussion should state how two or more variables are related to one another. Indication in the discussion as to whether the relationship would be positive or negative. There should be a clear explanation of why we should expect these relationships to exist, why the relationship between the variables is existing clearly mentioned. The arguments should be drawn from previous research findings. Whatever the argument we are giving, these must be based on the previous researches, the literature which we have surveyed and the arguments which we have developed. A schematic diagram of theoretical framework, a schematic diagram of theoretical framework should be given so that the reader can see and easily comprehend the theorized relationship. So in the end we also use some sort of the diagram to show the relationship among the variables which we have developed.